Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner. Me, Matthew and Sophie. We have got for you what we call a gutter day. So basically it's a day where we do all the jobs where it's fascia, soffits and gutters clears. We load them up onto one day, shift the schedule along. But what we've got is only a couple of these jobs in. So 2 jobs where it's gutter clears, fascia, soffits and gutters, and also all the windows because they're regular window clean customers of ours. And then what we've done is we've also got 3 window cleans that would happen during the week loaded onto there as well to make this week easier and pan out our gutter day. So see how us and the team get it all done. Right, that's the first one done of the day. It's a big place, as you'll see from the footage. A couple of conservatory roofs, and a lot of glass and windows to do there. Good job, we're a team of 3. Sophie with the X-Line trolley, where I'm still waiting to order, which I'll do today, the spare tyre, which I need because we've got a flatty on it. Anyway, see how the rest of the day goes. Right, that's the last house done, so I didn't get much footage done on that one, but it's a nice simple house to do. I've just come back home and now we're going to switch the wagon round so it's set up for the gutter clears. So I'm going to get all the gutter vac equipment in there basically, and we're going to unload all the trolley and the barrels of water. Right, here we are. I've just laid out all the gutter vac equipment that goes in the van. So as you can see, I've got a Industrial 85 Skyvac with the poles, and I've also got a bag which contains the hose in it. Then I've got a jerry can to hold the fuel in, 25 metre extension cable, and then here I've got the generator, which is the correct one for the Industrial 85. And then as well as that, I've got some of these plastic builder's buckets. We have filled up 3 of these, so that's why I've got 3. I've got a smaller yellow one, that's the one we use to put water just to clean out the Industrial 85 with. And then I've got my metal bucket, ladder limb, pro gutter tools are in the van, and the ladder's on top, so if I have to go up with a ladder and do it the old fashioned way. And then a good old fashioned brush and dustpan and a broom, ladder stay to go on my ladder. These are really good. So all the old stuff that I started gutter vac goes in with the gutter vac itself. And then obviously I use these ramps that I've brought, which are collapsible, to get everything in and out. And here it is, all fitting in the back of my van. 500 litre tank. If I've got a bigger tank, I wouldn't have been able to fit all this gear in the back. So I've got all my gutter vac equipment, generator, and if I have to do the old fashioned way, with me ladders as well. So that's the van all set up now for the gutter vac. You can see with 3 of us, it doesn't take long to empty and switch the van round. Using my 500 litre tank, 2-man setup, plus I've got a gardener's backpack. That's going to enable us for the window cleaning we've still got to do in the fascia, soffits and gutters. We can still all do that as a 3 as well. Before we go out, I'm just filling up the 500 litre tank with pure water, so that's us then sorted for the rest of the day, and then I'm gonna have my lunch. One more thing I forgot, we've got the Skyvac camera as well, and we use that on top of a carbon fibre window cleaning pole as our gutter inspection camera. Right, 25 minutes to drive to where we're going, which is Sutton Bridge with the dream team. Wait. Okay, it's that clean done. Didn't get tons of footage because it's a big job, but you can see we're using the gutter vac. We did do the fascia soffits and gutters and the garage door, as well as all these windows, and obviously you've seen the conservatory roof, and we cleaned the conservatory. Now I've got 2 more to go, and one of them is a gutter clear, fascia soffits and gutters, as well as the regular windows, conservatory roof again, and windows. Let's get cracking. Right, that's it, last 2 houses done. I've just packed away the gutter vac. Matthew and Sophie are just finishing off on the windows on the last house, just the conservatory windows really, and then we're done. It's going to be a case of getting home. It's now 10 to 5. Home's only about 2-minute drive, and then like I say, 2 or 3 minutes and we'll just get the van set up ready for tomorrow, window cleaning for the rest of the week. Thanks for watching.